Mia, I keep saying "this are my books" by mistake.
Don't worry. Just use the simple near or far trick.
Oh, wow. The distance rule makes perfect sense now.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery. Let's learn effortlessly.
I always mix up the words this, that, these, and those.
That is a very common problem for many English learners today.
I just point my finger and hope people understand me.
Pointing is good, but choosing the right word is much better.
Are there any complicated grammar rules to learn today?
No boring rules today. We will just use your finger.
My finger? How can my finger help me learn English?
We just need to know if things are near or far.
Okay, I am looking at things near and far right now.
We also need to count if there is one or many.
Near or far, and one or many. That sounds easy.
It is very easy. We call them the pointing words.
I am ready to master these pointing words right now.
Let us start with just one single thing near you.
What is the first pointing word we need to learn?
The first magic pointing word is the word named this.
How do I use the word this in a real sentence?
We use this for exactly one thing that is near us.
So I can touch the thing when I say the word.
Exactly. Look at the red apple right in your hand.
Okay, I say, this apple is very sweet and fresh.
Perfect. But what if the apple is on a high shelf?
I cannot touch it. Do I still use the word this?
No. For one thing far away, you must use that.
Oh, so I point and say, that apple is big.
Spot on. This is for near and that is for far.
Do I always use the word is for both of them?
Yes, because they are only for one single thing.
I like this apple here, but I want that apple there.
You just used both words perfectly in one sentence.
I feel so confident. What if I have many apples?
Then we must upgrade to the plural pointing words.
What are the words for many things in English?
We use these for many things that are near us.
So I say, these are my favorite books, right here.
Excellent. Notice that you changed the verb to are.
Ah, because there are many books, I must use are.
Exactly. Never say, "These are my books." That is wrong.
What if those many books are on the high shelf?
For many things far away, we use the word those.
So I point and say, those are my favorite books.
Perfect. These is for near, and those is for far.
Let me practice. These bananas here and those oranges there.
You are doing a fantastic job with the plural words.
I will never say, that are my shoes again.
Please do not always say, "Those are my shoes."
Are there any more secrets about these 4 pointing words?
Yes, we can actually use them to travel through time.
Travel through time. Do you mean past and future tenses?
Exactly. Let us start with the simple present sentence today.
Okay, this is my favorite pen right now.
Good. Now change it to the past for yesterday.
Let me think. This was my favorite pen yesterday.
Perfect. You changed the verb to show the older past.
What if I have many pens in the past tense?
Then you must use the word were instead of are.
These were my favorite pens yesterday. Is that correct?
Spot on. Now let us jump to the future tomorrow.
Do I use the words will be for the future?
Yes. Say, those will be my new shoes tomorrow.
Those will be my new shoes tomorrow. That is easy.
You just mastered present, past, and future with pointing words.
I feel so ready to speak confidently in real life.
Let us open the Error Lab to test your skills.
I am ready to test my brain in the error lab.
Let us begin. I will speak some bad English sentences.
Okay, bring on the bad English for me today.
Sentence 1. This are my favorite books on the table.
That is wrong. You must say, these are my books.
Perfect correction. Sentence 2. That are my shoes over there.
Shoes are plural and far. Say, those are my shoes.
Excellent. Sentence 3. These is my new blue sofa.
The sofa is singular. You must say, this is my sofa.
Spot on. Sentence 4. Those was my pen yesterday morning.
A pen is singular. You should say, that was my pen.
Let us do one more. This will be my new keys.
Keys are plural. You must say, these will be my keys.
You fixed every mistake perfectly without any boring grammar rules.
I will never say, that are my shoes ever again.
You are officially an expert at using these pointing words.
Now it is time to practice speaking out loud.
We will do our shadowing practice together today.
Listen carefully and repeat the words after us.
Sentence number 1 is for one thing near.
This is my favorite red apple right here.
This is my favorite red apple right here.
This is my favorite red apple right here.
Sentence number 2 is for one thing far.
That is a tall green tree over there.
That is a tall green tree over there.
That is a tall green tree over there.
Sentence number 3 is for many things near.
These are my new books on the table.
These are my new books on the table.
These are my new books on the table.
Sentence number 4 is for many things far.
Those are my old shoes in the corner.
Those are my old shoes in the corner.
Those are my old shoes in the corner.
Sentence number 5 is for the older past.
Those were my favorite pictures on the wall.
Those were my favorite pictures on the wall.
Those were my favorite pictures on the wall.
Sentence number 6 is for the future tense.
This will be my new office tomorrow morning.
This will be my new office tomorrow morning.
This will be my new office tomorrow morning.
You did a fantastic job practicing today.
We learned so much today. Let me summarize the rules.
Go ahead, show me your perfect memory of the lesson.
The word this is for one single thing near us.
Correct. And what is the special job of the word that?
It is for one single thing far away from us.
Perfect. And what about the plural pointing words?
These is for near and those is for far away.
Whew, you officially mastered all 4 pointing words today.
I will never mix up these 4 words ever again.
Now it is time for our amazing viewers to practice.
Yes, we have a fun homework challenge for you today.
Write 2 sentences about your room in the comments below.
Use the words this and those in your comment today.
We read every single comment, so show us your skills.
Hit subscribe and like the video to support our channel.
Keep practicing every day and think fast, speak smart today.